Do you have any stuck patterns, or beliefs? Or you have difficulty in letting go? There are many tools which can help. One of them is crystals. Crystals have been used for millennia as healing and shamanic tools to bring peace, harmony and happiness. If you need a bit of help with stuck patterns or letting go, pick up Smoky Quartz. It is good for that. Smoky Quartz is a powerful cleanser to cleanse out those stuck patterns, cleaning out limiting beliefs, letting them go. Everything that is limiting you or keeping you stuck in life, Smoky Quartz will cleanse that. When you are in a bad mood, try picking up a Smoky Quartz if you have one at home, and hold it on your palm. See how you feel after a few minutes later. You might wonder where the mood go. You can also try it on your kids to see how they react with Smoky Quartz. In ancient times, people used Smoky Quartz as an amulet or a snuff bottle for protection when traveling. If you travel a lot, or going to new places, you can carry or wear Smoky Quartz as an amulet, to help overcome the fear of new challenges, especially in dealing with change and vulnerability when travel. A very interesting internal application with Smoky Quartz that I came across, is that, if parents drink an elixir water from Smoky Quartz before sexual intercourse, they will conceive a very intelligent child. How true is this? I'm not sure. If there's anyone who experiment with this, please comment and share with fellow crystals lovers or couples want to conceive a very intelligent child. One thing you need to avoid when dealing with Smoky Quartz. Smoky Quartz will fade if placed in strong light. It loses its yin nature, feminine energies, when exposed to too much yang energy, masculine energies. These Smoky Quartz crystals are available in Spark Crystals Rocks shop. Visit shop if these crystals spark joy within you. Thank you everyone who subscribed to my channel and visiting my crystals shop. There's more crystals videos you might like in this channel. Watch them too.